Hi, my name is Sanvi. What is a healthy planet? To me, a healthy planet is a clean, comfortable, safe, and positive planet. If I was in charge of the world, I'd take these actions to improve the health of our planet. First, I would grow and keep our plants and trees, which would provide us with good energy, shade, and healthier air. It also provides us with fresh fruits and vegetables. Eating fresh fruits and vegetables makes people's mind and abilities stronger. Second, healthy fresh fruits and vegetables supports healthy people. Avoiding processed food, meaning less disease. Eating healthy food can improve lifespan, positivity, in people's minds and behavior. This can create positivity around us. Next, I would also make sure that our planet would stay clean and safe by not littering. Reduce, reuse, and recycle to cut down what we throw away. Keep environment clean of seed trash. I would put it in the trash can. Last, I would save water. Water is an important part of this planet. It is used in every cell of your body. Water travels around your body, bringing nutrients, oxygen, and to and from your cells and organs. Waters also help to planets and trees survive. Again, healthy us can provide healthy planet. Thank you.